Well, good morning. It's Saturday morning. It's really gloomy this morning, so should be a nice warm day today. Got a project I gotta complete here. I finally got the truck to the alignment shop. It's aligned already. It's all ready to go, but I noticed that the steering gear was leaking, and instead of rebuilding it, I just went ahead and got another one, and gonna be installing that this morning. So here it is. After a long time of just sitting and waiting for stuff to get done on it, it looks like it's finally done. Let me show you what else I got. Anyway, I am a total fanatic of early, centerline wheels. These show the date of 1988. This one here shows, I don't know, I can't see it, but I got all four of them. Here's this one here also. These are 7s right here, and these measure out at 9.5. They're 5 on 4 3/4, so they're Chevy pattern. Anyway, that just adds to another set of wheels that I have that are centerline. So I'll probably be putting these on the Nova. I'm gonna clean them up. I don't want the polished look. I want the kind of like the satin look, kind of like the ones on this car here. So I think these wheels here are really nice. I like the centerline wheels. And here's the duster. So anyway, let's get to work on that truck. I gotta do some moving around, and we'll get to work on it. All right, here's where I'm at. Got my two trusty big wrenches here, and I got this big wrench, what is called big BFW, big fucking wrench right here. That's for this nut. This is the new gear, by the way. It's for this nut. I don't have a 1 3/8 socket, so we're gonna have to use this BFW, whatever it is. And then after we do that, we have the pitman arm puller, but I need to take this one off first. That was easy. Excuse me. Sorry, folks. Anyway, I don't have a nut, rather not a nut, socket this size, so I'm going to use that big crescent wrench, and the whole gear should come out. It looks to be the same, a little bit of differences, but we'll find out. Not too bad. What?
When I filter it to only show what would fit my car, they do pop up.
All right, the steering gear looks a little bit different. I guess this is because this is a newer one. I checked the splines on this. The steering coupler works good. The pitman arm fits. I ended up taking it off of here, and I took the coupler off the steering arm right there also, just to check. Now I got to make sure that the thread pitch on the pressure and the return line is the same one. It should be, but I want to be 100% sure before I button it up. So let's get back on it. Well, I ran into a little bit of a situation. The steering gear that I ordered is wrong. It's not the right one. It did fit. The bolts lined up okay. The coupler fit fine. This right here, the pressure and the return line, totally different threads. I mean, I had it all assembled, and when I get to put it on, I mean, it doesn't work. So I ended up just putting it back in the box, and it's going back. That just, wasted my whole day there. Well, not the whole day, but it just kind of sucks that you order these parts and they're not the right ones. So what I did is I went to AutoZone, and they actually have this kit. This kit is the seal, the O-ring, and the dust cover that goes on top of this right here. So I mean, it's should be a pretty simple task. It's not doesn't look too hard to do. I hope I can do it. If it doesn't work, then I guess I'm screwed. I'm gonna have to go buy a new one. So, I mean, don't buy those. Those will not work. This is on a 1970 C10. The front suspension is off of an 86 C10. And they swear that that one there is the correct one for that, but unfortunately, no. The hose pitch is different on the pressure line. This one right here, actually. I checked the threads. The threads look good, but it goes on this one, no problem, but on the new one, it just does not fit. So I'm going to start disassembling this and see what we can achieve with this. Damn, that's heavy. All right, it's already a little bit dark, but it's already on. The steering gear is on. I just got to get another hose. The return hose kind of like got a little bit damaged, all that moving and stuff. So I'm gonna go get another piece of hose and put it on there. We should be okay with this. But here's the steering shaft is already on. It is a collapsible style one, so that went on there perfect. The wheels are straight, and the steering wheel, it's in the right direction. So, but this is what was the hardest thing right here. Basically, this is the old gear. I did have to put a new seal on there, and it looks redundant, but this gear here is bigger and heavier than the other one, so it was kind of hard to maneuver it with the two lines on, so I removed the lines to put them back on. But the pitman arm is on. That was not hard at all. All I had to do was collapse the shaft there, and it gave me room to move it side to side and line it up. But that gear that I got from eBay, it is not the correct one. The problem is that fitting right there. That fitting does not fit on the other gear. I thought I might have stripped it, but I did not. It just is not the correct one. So hopefully that seller doesn't give me a bunch of shit about it. I mean, they swore up and down that it is the correct one, yada yada yada, and all this other crap. But anyway, this thing's done. Well, as soon as I get that hose back on it, and it should be fine. And we can take this out for a cruise. It's been a long time on it, so it's about ready to have fun with it. But there it is. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate you. A lot of hassle taking it on and off, and working on the floor here is not really good. It gets kind of hard, and that steering gear is pretty heavy. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like the truck, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, you can do that. Give me a thumbs down. Either way, I'd like to hear from you. And if you can, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Have a good rest of the evening. It's Sunday night. I gotta take down Old Glory because it's getting dark right now, so I don't have a light for it. But thanks for watching this video again. I really do appreciate it. Have a good rest or have a good week. Be safe, and see you next time.